I really didn't want to come on YouTube looking like radioactive vomit, but Jeremy really suggested that I help you guys out because I'm frustrated, okay? Typed in 5 different things just to try to find what neon yellow hair dyed brown looks like, and I can't find anything. So we're gonna figure out ourselves what it looks like. And if it looks like green muddy poop, then I'm gonna dye my hair black. Jeremy really wants me to record this process of turning this recently color fixed hair into brown. We'll see what happens. A lot of people say you can do color fix more than once. I looked up videos of people color fixing neon yellow hair and they did it multiple times and nothing happened pretty much, so this is what we're gonna use, which is funny because in my last video I talked about using this brand, but I used a way darker color. It did not come out how I wanted, but this is the cool light brown, not the cool darkest brown. So this is my actual natural color right here. I don't think any of you guys knew that, but now you do. We're gonna see if these cool tones actually cancel out this horrid yellow. I mean, it would look nice if I purposefully did it like this, but it's just the result of me color fixing my beautiful orange hair that I am like really missing right now, but it's very high maintenance, so I would like to just grow out my hair. You guys have no idea how happy I am right now that you all get to see how f***ed up my hair is. I freaking love it. Moving on. What we're gonna be using in this video today is L'Oreal Paris Superior Preference Light Cool Brown. And it has cool tones in it to be anti-brass. I guess we'll see what anti-brass ends up being. Please don't let my hair turn out green and muddy. That would make me so sad, you guys. And I'm not gonna go to a hairstylist and expect them to fix that I up. Not that they can't do it, it's just I wouldn't want to put anyone through that. I do have a brush. This is a painting brush from Sally Beauty Supply. It's got a nice little parter. I'm gonna really get into these yellow as areas before I even touch my ends and stuff. This brush I believe was only $3, but I'll insert all the prices of everything in the description below. I also picked up this, which is hair color remover wipe for afterwards when I probably have brown dye all over here and my neck. I could have just gotten the balm that you put on beforehand, but who knows where this stuff is gonna end up. So I got this because I don't want to put balm on my neck and then it ends up all over my arms, you know? We'll see what happens. I got some super grippy gloves. Whoa, these are tight. They were not this tight last night when I did my color fix. Let me just say that. But yeah, I suppose what I'll start doing is being extremely honest with you guys, and when my hair looks like I'll even record that. Every time I dye my hair, it's a learning process. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these boxes. I got 2 of them because my hair has gotten a little bit longer and I think I'm gonna need 2. So yeah, if you take a glimpse at my hair right now, this is exactly why I want to stop dyeing my hair for a while. So this is why I'm trying to achieve my natural brown. Obviously, if you were going to do this the expected route, you would just mix bottle 1 with bottle 2 and shake them up. But what I'm gonna do is dump both of these into my bowl and use my brush so that I can really get everything, because the last thing I want right now is splotchy hair. That would really upset me. That is like nothing. This is like no dye. I don't know if this is gonna be enough. Oh yeah, this thing is full, so. Cool, this should be enough. Oh, whoa, it's gonna be so runny. This is gonna get everywhere. I'm probably just gonna show you guys how I separate my hair, but after that, I'm gonna have to like do this over the sink because it's extremely liquidy. I'm gonna get mixing. Even though it's runny, it's kind of a good thing because I'm gonna really need 2 bottles to go a long way. So we're ready. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it the way it is right now because this is the part that's always exposed. don't know. I guess I'll just go ahead and do the roots because that just makes twice as much work, and I'm just going darker. I'm not lightening anything. I'm really digging this brush. It works really well. Like I said, I'll have everything listed below, where I got it, how much it costs, what it's called. I'm gonna get in here really quick because this part is also very stubborn. In the past, I've said that my side cut is really stubborn, and someone made it clear to me why, and I was like, wow, that's super obvious. How did I not notice that? There's nothing to keep the warmth in on the part that's shaved, so that's why this takes a lot longer to process, because it doesn't have anything keeping it warm. And we all know that warmth speeds up the process. My god, a brush makes such a difference. Can I just say that? Because in the past, when I don't use a brush, it's really hard to be neat about things. We'll go ahead and use our separator and separate the hair, and we'll keep going. This is how I'm gonna do things. I'll see you guys when my hair is fully covered and saturated, and I'll let you know what I'm gonna do next. Before my gloves get all disgusting and I won't be able to take them off to turn off the camera. The processing cap is on. I'm really scared, but Jeremy, he helped me a lot in making sure I didn't miss any of the streaks, because there were a bunch of streaks in the back and on the sides, and he got it for me.
Painted some happy trees.
Even though it's taken forever to get to this point, I'm still gonna wait 20 more minutes and we're gonna see what happened.
Her hair is gonna fall out.
I'm gonna just wash my hair with coolish water and Ren Pure Thickening and Strengthening Conditioner. So guys, this is the outcome of what I just did. There are spots that are a little yellow. You can see in the sunlight how there's still some of that yellow left in there. The fan is just making it look magical. What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try really hard to search for a Mocha Ash Brown kind of color, which I've done before and it turned out amazing. I really need something to dull down those golden tones that are super stubborn. I didn't wear my hair dye shirt to Target, I promise. But I'm back from Target and I got L'Oreal Paris Excellence Creme Mocha Ash Brown. I don't know why I didn't just jump straight to that, but maybe I wanted to try something new. I don't know. And trying something new didn't really pay off. But it did get rid of a lot of that neon yellow, so let's go to take two. High hopes, high hopes. So honestly, I think to save both of our time, I'm just gonna skip the hair dyeing part of this video, jump straight to it, take a shower, do what I gotta do. I'll let you know what happens afterwards when we see if it was even worth doing again, which I'm sure it will be spot on. That's the attitude that I need right now. But I did get 2 boxes. I'm just gonna jump right to it. This time I'm honestly just gonna leave them in the bottle and just lather it up and do it that way. Just because last time with the brush and separating, it took me so long. But I think I'll be okay this time since it's not that far off from each other, the results anyways. I'm gonna go ahead and say I'm pretty sure it's exactly what I want, but we'll wait till tomorrow. But I'm gonna go ahead and use this dye wiper off her. Now to see if it removes tiny dots off of your door. Look at that, guys. This is the reveal. It's not tomorrow. When I washed it directly after dyeing, I only used my Ren Pure conditioner, lukewarm water. I washed it once with purple shampoo to tone down some of my yellow, which I'll show you. You can only really see it when I actually show you. Then I used Ren Pure shampoo. Then I used Shimmer Lights one more time. So basically I'm just kind of flopping back and forth. I mean, it's not super yellow, but you can see how there's a little bit of yellow discoloration in here. It's not that noticeable. This is the closest I've been to my natural color in a really long time. And I know if I keep using purple shampoo, it'll be as close as possible. These really ashy parts down here are my natural color. They're just slightly lighter. So I'm excited. I think the next thing I'm gonna do is probably a balayage, just a few highlights here and there. I'll definitely keep you guys posted for that. I'm probably gonna wait a little bit longer to do that, of course. I'm gonna embrace this while I have it, so. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching. Also, I'm very sorry about how my hair looked in the beginning of this video. But Jeremy, come here. Come on.
No,
come on.
I'm naked.
You just don't have a shirt on. That doesn't mean you're naked.
I'm naked.
But you have pants on.
No, I don't.
Okay, you do.
No, I don't.
You're lying.
Oh.
Believe me, guys, he's lying. Anyways, he helped me a lot.
I painted some happy trees.